This is the most exclusive dinner buffet in all of Manila. Nestled at the heart of the Sofitel Hotel is the renowned Spiral Buffet restaurant. Prepare to be amazed at the massive selection of different flavors and dishes from around the world. This is a once-in-a-lifetime dining experience. Today is Tony's birthday, and after a hard day of shopping, it was time to indulge our taste buds with one of the most unique buffet experiences we've ever had. Sadly, this would also be the end of our time together in the Philippines, as I will be flying home to Canada within the next few days. But what a way to wrap up an amazing 30 days together. Join us today as we take you on a culinary adventure at the Sofitel Hotel. Join us as we feast at the legendary Spiral Buffet restaurant. So this is called the Spiral Buffet. And yes, it's quite expensive. I mean, comparatively speaking, it's the price of a high-end restaurant in Canada. It's about $100, about 4,000 pesos. Well, it's exactly 4,000 pesos.
5,000.
5,000, I'm sorry. 5,000. Well, it'll be 4,000 for us because we get a discount.
Yeah.
But yeah. Now, this restaurant supposedly has everything you can imagine. So this is Tony's birthday dinner. So it's a special day. It's a special evening. Let's go check it out. Let's see what you got here. You got crabs. What's that?
Lobster.
Lobster. And shrimp. Is that a shrimp?
Yeah.
Hold that up. That has got to be the biggest shrimp I've ever seen. Wow. That is huge. That is massive.
Baby crabs.
Is that baby crab?
Yeah.
Cool. So you got like a seafood buffet going on there. I got sushi and tempura. And I need to start digging in because it's going to take us a while to get through this whole buffet. So Tony, oh, what'd you come back with? More crab.
More crab.
More crab. Is that the cold crab?
No, this is the one that I like. This is a crab. This is a baked lobster.
Baked lobster.
Yeah.
Sounds better than crab.
I don't like the one that has no.
Yeah.
It tastes less.
Yeah, that one's cooked, right?
And yeah, this one's baked.
And then what's this here?
Truffle.
Truffle.
This is what they call it there.
Yeah.
It's like a thing with some meat inside.
Mm-hmm.
And then roasted chicken. I just get one.
Chicken.
And then some hakaw.
Cool.
And then a shiitake mushroom.
Whoa. Eat shiitake.
Good.
Is it good? So I was debating on what to get for the second round. And we were talking about how there's a lot of stuff here, but there's some duplicate stuff. Like, for example, the bread we can get in the morning. And the cheese is also something that's available for the breakfast. So I'm going to go back and see if there's anything unique that I can find that isn't something that's available for breakfast. I'm not going to vlog the breakfast here, but I can tell you it is just as amazing as this dinner buffet here. It is the same stations, and they're all full of delicious food, morning breakfast food, meats, anything you can think of, right? And even different country foods and stuff like that. So what do you think of your buffet feast?
It's good.
Really good?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Make a wish. I didn't wish.
What'd you wish for, honey?
Huh?
What'd you wish for?
Long life and a happy life.
I
Long
wish you the
life for
same,
you
baby.
and a happy life for us.
I wish you the same. So what did you get for dessert?
Well, I gave you the classic cheesecake,
Yes, I got the cheesecake, which I've already half
and then I have
devoured.
the pandan gelatin,
Yeah.
and then of course, my cravings earlier,
Yeah, what is that?
marshmallow.
Ooh, dipped in chocolate?
Yeah.
Nice.
They have this huge chocolate fountain,
Yeah. Yeah, I took a video of it.
and then the creme brulee.
Oh, I gotta get some creme brulee too.
Yeah, I like it. And they have actually crepe. Oh, I pronounced it right.
Crepe?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because you used to call it a crap.
Crepe. Crepe.
A crepe, yes.
Yeah,
Awesome.
but they have crepe. But I think they only have blueberry.
Yeah, I'm pretty full, so I think this piece of cheesecake here is gonna be the max that I can do.
Creme brulee too.
Yeah. So this is my birthday message to my wonderful wife, Marie Tony Dagalea Nichols, who is sitting right in front of me. I love you. You've made my life complete. I am so happy that I met you. And I am sad that it's going to be over here in another 48 hours we got left together. Less than 48 hours. I got to get back to Canada, so that's kind of sad. But hopefully you'll be with me very soon again, and we can do this all over again in Canada, which I'm pretty excited about. But for now, I just want to say I love you very much, and thank you for a wonderful 30 days together. We had an amazing time. We visited Bohol, we visited the Gatsby, we got to hang out with your parents again, and your family, and your sisters, and then we went to Cebu, and Siargao was amazing. We had a fantastic time in Siargao, and I can't think of a better way to wrap up this entire 30 days that we've had together than having you sitting there looking so beautiful in your new dress. She's batting her eyes at me right now. And having this absolutely fantastic meal in this beautiful, stunning hotel restaurant. It's incredible. This is a moment I won't forget ever. So I hope you don't forget it too quickly either.
No,
I think so.
I ate a lot of lobster here.
You ate a ton of lobster, and I actually had quite a bit of sushi. Sushi and tempura, and I had prime rib. I had pizza. Oh, I am so full. Just thinking about it makes my stomach hurt.
True. That's a bad thing.
Yes. So, quick shout out to all our Tony Baby fans. Just want to thank you for another set of adventures and joining us on this new set of adventures that we just completed. And look forward to seeing you in the next vlog. Ideally, probably about 4 or 5 months from now, once you see this video, Tony will be in Canada with me. And the next video you will see will be of Tony in Canada. And if she's not in Canada, then I'm editing this part of the video out. Because I can do that.
You will never see this video.
Yes, you'll never see this part of the video. You'll only, if you're seeing this part of the video now, it's because Tony's in Canada with me right now, and the next vlog you see will be of her in Canada.
If not, Mark will be back in the Philippines.
If not, I will be back in the Philippines, and I'll be enjoying another 30 days with my love here.
And we're gonna celebrate Christmas.
Yes, indeed. Okay, I love you very much, honey, and thank you very much for your patience, your tolerance, your understanding, and for your time and your love.
I should say thank you too.
Okay,
Thank you.
that's it? What?
I said,
Mine was like from the heart.
I should say thank you. That's what I said. Thank you.
What the heck?
Okay, this is my my ending thank you to my loving husband that I never thought that will be my husband. I still can't imagine that I am married.
I know, it's unusual for both of us, isn't it?
Yeah, I thought we're still dating, but you know, I still cannot write my name correctly. I still use Dagalea instead of your last name,
Yeah.
but I will adapt. And I just want to say thank you to my loving husband for this wonderful birthday. I will never ever forget my birthday. You gave me the cake. And
Yeah, you got your birthday cake.
I got my birthday cake, and I got this. I was able to um, eat here in this beautiful, amazing place with my husband. And actually, I don't have a lot of birthday wishes. All I want is to celebrate it with Mark. But then again, he made it special. From the day I wake up, it's already special because I see your face.
Aw.
Yeah, so sweet. And then we had an amazing breakfast. And then you give me a tons of gifts.
Yes, you had quite the shopping spree, little
Yeah,
girl.
I have a shopping spree. That's a lot of gifts I received from my husband. And yeah, this one too. I don't
Yes.
know if this is a Valentine's gift or a birthday gift
It
or
was a
just
bit
a
of
gift
both. It was an all-purpose gift.
all-purpose gift. Yeah, I may not be on your birthday, but it's okay. You're not on our wedding anniversary either.
We
So
celebrated my birthday last year, so pretty happy
yeah,
about
now
that.
we're celebrating my birthday here, but hopefully next year we're able to celebrate our wedding anniversary, the second wedding
Yes.
anniversary together because we were not together this time. But it's okay. Life must go on. We enjoyed our trip, and I will never, I won't experience all these things if not with Mark. I was able to visit those places that I just look on pictures, and now I was able to went there, and I'm so happy.
I'm glad you're happy, sweetie.
Yeah, so I just want to say, Mark, I love you so much. You will always be my love, even though I'm annoying. Just give a little patience, like I do. And I love you.
All right, thank you, baby.